An advocate is a specialized legal professional who is qualified to represent clients in a court of law. Advocates are law graduates who have completed their legal education and are enrolled with the Bar Council, making them eligible to stand in court on behalf of their clients. Specialized training in the law and are authorized to plead and argue case in a court of law. The role of an advocate is to provide legal representation to clients and to ensure that their interests are effectively presented in the judicial system. Advocates are regulated and controlled by the Bar Council, and they are required to adhere to professional standards and ethical guidelines in their practice. Qualifications of an advocate. To become an advocate in India, for example, an individual must meet specific qualifications and requirements. The qualifications for becoming an advocate are as follows. Bachelor degree in law, LLB. The first step to become an advocate is to obtain a bachelor's degree in law, known as LLB, Legium Baccalaureus. This is the fundamental requirements and provides the necessary legal education and training. Enrollment with the Bar Council. After completing the LLB degree, individuals must enroll with the Bar Council of India and pass the Bar Council exam. Only those who have obtained a license from the Bar Council of India after passing the bar exam are entitled to use the title advocate. Professional skills and abilities. In addition to academic qualification, advocates need to possess essential skills such as language proficiency, oratory abilities, analytical skills, and the ability to build a strong case in favor of the client. These skills are crucial for effective representation in the court of law. Ethical and professional standards. Advocates are expected to adhere to ethical and professional standards in their practice. They are often referred to as officers of the court due to critical role they play in judicial system. Indian nationality and age requirement. To be enrolled as an advocate, an individual must be an Indian national, have attained the age of 21, and hold a bachelor's degree in law. However, a native of any other country may practice only if Indians are permitted to practice in that country. These qualifications and requirements are essential for individuals seeking to pursue a career as an advocate in India, because we were just taking India as an example to become a lawyer. They ensure that advocates are well prepared to represent clients in the court of law and uphold the principles of justice and legal advocacy. Profession of an advocate. The professional standard and influences of an advocate are guided by ethical principles, legal regulations, and the responsibilities they uphold within the legal profession. These standards are essential for maintaining the integrity of the legal system and ensuring the fair and just representation of clients. The following details highlighted the professional standards and influences of an advocate. Ethical guidelines. Advocates are expected to adhere to ethical guidelines and codes of professional conduct. These guidelines encompass principles of honesty, integrity, fairness, and respect for the judicial system, clients, and other legal professionals. Respectful attitude towards courts. An advocate is required to maintain a respectful attitude towards the courts, recognizing the dignity of judicial office as essential for the survival of a free community. This includes conducting themselves in a manner befitting their status as an officer of the court and a privileged member of the community. Upholding client interests. An advocate is obligated to fearlessly uphold the interests of the clients and to conduct themselves in a manner that conforms to the rules of professional conduct and etiquette. This involves making full and frank disclosure to the client and avoiding any influence on the decision of a court by illegal or improper access to information. It is the duty of competent authorities to ensure that advocates have access to appropriate information, files, and documents in their possession or control. This access is essential for advocates to effectively represent their clients and uphold the principles of justice and fairness. Influence on justice and legal system. Advocates play a crucial role in the legal system by representing their clients in a court of law and presenting their case to bring justice to the victim. Their arguments and representation of facts are used by court to render decisions, making them a vital component of judicial system. These professional standards and influences shape the conduct and responsibilities of advocates, emphasizing their role in upholding the law, promoting justice, and serving the best interest of their clients and the public. Adhering to these standards is essential for maintaining the integrity and trustworthiness of the legal profession. Now we are going to talk about the difference between a lawyer and an advocate. The primary difference between a lawyer and an advocate lies in their qualifications and the scope of their practice. While all advocates are lawyers, but not all lawyers are advocates. A lawyer is a general term of anyone with a law degree, and it can include various types of legal professionals. On the other hand, an advocate is a specialized legal professional within the specific right of representations of clients in a court of law. Advocates have the authority to plead and argue cases on behalf of their clients, whereas lawyers may have a more general role, such as providing legal advice and preparing legal documents. Let's have a real-life example to understand this. For example, in India, a person who has completed a law degree is generally referred to as a lawyer. However, only those who have cleared the bar exam and enrolled with the State Bar Council are recognized as advocates and are eligible to represent clients in court. For instance, a corporate lawyer may provide legal advice to a company but may not have the authority to represent the company in court, while an advocate can represent clients in various legal proceedings, including civil and criminal cases. Thank you very much for today. Let's meet up in the next video. Goodbye.